We be mudding again, Li. We be mudding. Oh, you weren't here the other time, Lila. That was just me, myself, and I. But yeah, this is a good thing we're getting out of here.
We are going to shower. Yes, we are. And we are excited about it. So excited.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
I'm trying to call this restaurant that I've been talking about eating at, and they're not answering. It is Martin Luther King Jr. Day today. So I heard a quote from him is injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. It is so true. So, happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So they might be closed because of the holiday. And clearly they're not answering. Let me try one more time.
Hello.
We are on the struggle bus today. Yes, we are. With this weather, the mud, I don't know. I'd probably rather have snow than mud because it is so filthy. Filthy. The sun is not happening. It is raining again. We had some sun for a minute. I came to a park hoping that if I propped my solar panels up, I could catch something. I really didn't, but this is where I dried my hair and everything and kind of got ready, kind of got things a little bit situated. When I left the campsite this morning, we were mudding. We were mudding in the CX-5. It was actually kind of fun. I was so worried I was going to get stuck. I did not want to get stuck. Okay, in the mud. Oh, that would be awful. There were other campers out there, but the place where I was, it's very far distances between campers, so which is good, but I just didn't want to have to walk over to find somebody, but at least that would have been an option if that were necessary. So we were bouncing all around, having a grand time, and I forgot to take the water off because it's raining. I was like, I'm not going to do a walk around. I had everything inside already. I think I did get out to come into the front seat, but stupidly, I did not do my walk around, so I didn't put a lid on Lila's water. And her water went everywhere on my bed and into my fridge area. And then my pillow fell, because when we travel, I put her kitty litter box. So yeah, my pillow fell into her litter box. That was great. So I decided, okay, I'm going to go shower. I'm going to go to St. George for her kitty litter because it was like 30 minutes or less away. And then I'm going to go to a laundromat. But it is such a struggle with this power situation. My batteries are dead. I actually do have my energy plugged into my car right now. And I want to give it another shot and see if it's going to blow a fuse. But I actually have it connected to... Ooh, that's hot! One of these 12 volts expanders, and it tells me the wattage right there. Anyway, that is actually really pretty hot when I took that out. Maybe that's why it blows fuses. I have my other battery, small battery, plugged in, That's plugged in with a USB-C cable, which is a great. But dude, this battery power is, oh man, it is a challenge in crummy weather. You need to have enough battery capacity to store what you need for at least a day. And I haven't even used my laptop. I've charged my cameras and things and ran my fridge, but yeah. So I was gonna go do laundry and I was gonna hopefully go to this restaurant, but that's not happening, unfortunately. And so I'm gonna find a restaurant that is around here that's maybe some kind of a tourist trappy restaurant and go eat. Yep. Lila's kind of over it, so we actually may be heading home tonight. Anyway, I'm gonna look for a restaurant and go from there. The search for cozy restaurants brought up this Regatti's wood-fired pizza. Best of Southern Utah 2022. Okay. I'm going to place an order at the Regatti's wood-fired pizza. And then we'll come back and eat it. We have our pizza. Should I do a thumbnail? Should this be the thumbnail? It's kind of burned. Is that going to get clicks? Okay, Lila, I'm going to give you some of this. Which one do you want? You're going to eat up here with us. Okay, Miss Lou? Okay. Clean off my hands. Do you like it? Is it good? We're both having a nice dinner. Okay, that's a little, well, I guess we're just gonna have to suffer through it. Okay. I got the margarita pizza, if you couldn't tell. The smallest size they had was a medium. It was in a very interesting looking building. I don't know how long they've been there, but it does look good. That is really good. The crust is thin. Yeah, it's definitely a stone ground, what would it say, wood fire, with a nice thin crust. The sauce is delicious, not overpowering. I do like a lot of sauce, but this is plenty. And it's tangy enough. And the cheese, the mozzarella, it's so good. Lila, you don't like it? I guess she doesn't. Well, see? This is why it's too risky to get her anything. Luckily, this was on sale. There's probably a reason it was on sale. But yeah. I won't throw it away just yet. We'll hang on to it and see if maybe she'll eat it a little bit later. Yeah, this is good. And I'm not even mad about this being blackened there because it is from a real wood fire, clearly. So good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Costco and get some gas. And then we will be on our way to this little spot. Okay? Yes, so we'll see you there. Look, there's the Undertaker. See, Lila? You can't even go check it out. What a bummer. I clicked miniatures. In those buildings, even though it's a definite tourist trap, yeah, they're not open. I would like to go check them out. We are going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes it's just a day like this, and that's how it goes. But we are going to be heading back to Logan now. I have my drone test this week anyway, so I will be going back and studying and getting the videos that I have uploaded. But I thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.